Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a surprise giveaway for you all. This one is coming from MD. It's for MD124, and for those of you all who commented, you're going to be getting the watch face codes. Now, we got watch face codes, of course, for the US, we got them for Canada, but we got them for many other different countries, right? Now, we're going to call off the countries, we're going to call off the winners. All the winners that I'm going to call off, I have your email, so I'm going to send them to you. And with that being said, I just wanted to let you know that I got a birthday coming up, right? So I got a busy weekend. Don't know how the weekend is going to turn out. And on top of that, we got a live stream that should be taking place on this Friday about 7 p.m. if nothing goes wrong, right? It's going to be a good topic. If you can't make it, then make sure you watch the replay. Help support the channel. Cool? With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get started with calling off these countries. Now, I only asked MD for a few watch face codes for different countries, the ones that normally comment on the videos, and he gave me all of these, right? Now, for all the countries, I have at least 4 to 5 watch face codes to give away, okay? So if you're in your country, you got to hit me in my email, which I'm going to leave at the bottom of the screen and also in the description box down below, all right? So he gave me watch face codes for Switzerland, Hong Kong, India, Israel, Italy, also Korea, the Netherlands, Norway. I got some for Portland. I got some for Portugal, right? If I pronounce that right. Romania, Russia, the US. I got more for the US. Argentina, Austria, and Belgium, Brazil, Canada, Czech, Germany, France, and I can't pronounce the last one, right? But we're gonna write it down. Anyway, I got watch face codes for all those countries. So if you find yourself in one of those countries and you want a free watch face code of MD24, then hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know, and or just email me, right? Because the email is gonna be in the description box down below. Now the winners are, for the US, is Daryl Gray, OZ Bell, Jackie, Scott Norris, Adrian, Steve Kelly, Vince P, also Gary H, and we got one more for the US, and that's going to be Lori. All right, so with that being said, people, those are the winners for the US. Now for Canada, of course, we got Canada. It's the same people. We got Trap Shooter, Ronnie M, Steve Jordan, Dimitri, and Hector Doran. All right, congratulations, you all. You all won a watch face code from MD called MD124, and that's going to be it, people. We've been trying to come from behind the camera. We're going to do it a lot more. People have been requesting it. Makes me feel really good. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for commenting as well. Share the video with other people that are looking for free watch face codes. Let them know they have a chance to win on Huck's World, and we got the best looking watch faces. With that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. Hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you all at the next one. Peace.